Crazy clouds and blue sky. That calls for a vlog. I'm gonna shoot vlog of Taipei today with this cloud, this sky, and this face. Let's see if I will be able to make it or not. And helmet is mandatory. And mask. Very hard. Alright, so here's the first spot. I wanted to go further, but then I saw this. This. This cannot be avoided, right? I have to take the shot. This is what I can see right now. Let's see if we can get a time lapse of this place. Alright, so now this is done. I mean, I spent like 2 hours here. I don't know how far I'll go in the vlog, but then okay, let's move on. Alright, so now the cloud has taken over the blue sky, but my vlogging still continues. I'm gonna see some more shots, some more perspective. This place, wow, this is good. Look at that. Ooh. This is a good shot. Now I like the shape of this tree and I want to take a good shot of it from my camera. So let's see what we get. Okay, shot is there. Taipei is green and this is the proof of that. And here is a little description of what this is. It's Indian laurel fig. Now we are close to Songshan airport. That is the airport, but still it is so green. Well, it's a Taipei vlog and Taipei vlog cannot be completed without Songshan airport. Fantastic view. The plane is about to land in 3 minutes. That's what I see in the app. The plane is coming. It says it. Alright, so now the plane shot is taken. Although the plane comes once in a while, so I cannot put a picture, but that video is dope. Okay, so this is a new location, and the location looks good. With reaching the location, I got the first shot. This is the shot, right? Okay. Good shot. You can convert that into a black and white shot. This is Flower Garden. I've never come to this place. This is the first time I'm visiting because I want to make this vlog and I want to bring some interesting frame. The location looks good. Flowers are dead mostly. Yeah, but then it's okay. I'll get some frames there. I'll sneak around. Me and this guy looks a little familiar. Huh? Nice guy. But this lady is pretty. I like her. Cannot touch ladies. Guys are okay. Ladies are not. Okay, but her nose is a little tilted like me. Okay. So the flower park is done. Let's roll to the next destination. I'm not sure how good I am. Yes, I am. I'm good. It's because of the cap I'm dark, and cap was required because it was very light, very bright, and now it is dark and I'm wearing cap. So next location, the sky is still pretty much blue and white with this dense cloud here this side. So let's roll to the next location and let's see what we have in the next destination. I'm gonna play it around, even though I'm not able to go to the next location because my wife, she forgot the key. Here are the fantastic color of sunset. Look at that. This is as crazy as it gets. Alright, that's it for the shooting. I don't know how will I edit, when will I edit, but if I do, you will see the vlog. And if you see the vlog, please do subscribe to the channel. That's all I can say. Okay.